So it's going to be the maiden voyage of the Proboat Zelos or Zelos 48-inch catamaran that apparently will go 60 miles an hour. Many, many, many thanks to Wayne at Hobby Alley in Edmonton. This was a raffle prize out of here. We bought tickets on it, customers did, and I was fortunate enough to actually win this thing. It's amazing. I mean, look at this. It's just crazy. It's crazy. Very nice. Came with batteries, their transmitter, and of course the boat and the stand, which is amazing. So we're going to take that out to our lake lock here. We're going to take it out this morning for its maiden voyage. There we go. I'm just going to turn this on. There we go. 8 volts of power. Okay, it's ready. Turn the timer on. I have no idea how long these batteries will last. It up.
No, wait to say.
There we go.
Cool. That's totally radical. I'm trying to follow. That goes like a scalded cat. Hold on, Boo. Come here. Okay. Can I stop? Can I stop recording now? Okay. That is totally cool.
What shot will do the background? That reverse too. Awesome, Wayne. Thank you. Okay, good stop.
Okay, hold on. I'm all tangled up with.
Okay, so that was probably 5 minutes of run, I'd say. I forgot to start it. Maybe a smidge of water inside, like just dampness, but really awesomeness, mostly. Okay, I'll shut this down.
Which one is your other one,
Oh.